Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The category is Atmanirbharta, and it is for Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, integrating MSMEs into scalable warship construction. We thank them for their contribution. A big round of applause. Commander Harish Kumar, expert BDNC, General Manager, has joined us on stage to receive the honor. Put our hands together as they're being honored. Congratulations. Now, the next category, ladies and gentlemen, is National Energy Security, and it is for Indian Oil Corporation Limited for building an integrated biofuels value chain. I'll request Mr. S.N. Jha, ED, Corporate Communication and Branding, to please join us on stage to receive the honor. Let's put our hands together as we thank them for their contribution. We can put our energy louder. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, continuing with the same category, National Energy Security. The next felicitation is for NTPC Limited for expanding a diversified clean energy portfolio. We request Ms. Ritu Arora, Company Secretary, to please join us on stage for the honor. We thank them for their contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Nation Building Infrastructure. And the felicitation is for Rail Vikas Nigam Limited for constructing India's first vertical lift rail bridge, Pamban Bridge. We congratulate them and we thank them for their contribution, requesting Mr. B.N. Singh, Project Advisor, to please join us on stage. As he has joined us, we thank them for their contribution. A big round of applause once again. Continuing with the same category, Nation Building Infrastructure, the felicitation is for RailTel Corporation of India Limited. It is for leveraging its nationwide rail-based fiber connectivity. We thank them for their contribution, and I'll request Mr. Manoj Tandon, Director Project and Operations, to please join us on stage. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thanking them for their contribution. As we continue with the same category, Nation Building Infrastructure. The felicitation is for National Bank for financing infrastructure and development, for enabling long-term infrastructure financing and capital mobilization frameworks. We thank them for their contribution. Mr. Sujit Kumar, Vice President, is joining us to receive the honor. A big round of applause as they're being honored, ladies and gentlemen. Can we clap louder? And the final honor this evening is for Nation Building Infrastructure again. It is for Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for developing Bhashini for multilingual digital access. We thank them for their contribution, and I request Ms. Shriya and Mr. Ankush to please join us on stage. A big round of applause to thank them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again, and thank you to our presenters for joining us on stage for presenting the honors.